Good evening, children. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Are you missing me? I am missing you all. Let's one day talk in video call so that I'll be able to see you and you will also be see me. Okay? Let's give an adda, asking questions, asking spellings, next sentences, whatever it may be, through a video call. How it will be, children? I hope all of you will enjoy it, isn't it? Okay. Now today I am going to discuss chapter 10, class 2, English Lit, The Stone Soup. Now it is a story of a lion and a deer. If you have wheat, W-I-T, wheat means if you have dimag, buddhi. If you have wheat, if you are clever, then you can overcome many problems. But you should be wise. This cleverness never comes unless and until you study yourself, you learn your lessons. Okay, so we should learn our lessons properly and obediently. Okay, now this is the story of the stone soup. Once a beautiful deer lived in a beautiful house. Now deer, we all know the deer is very beautiful looking animal, isn't it? हम लोग को पता है deer कितना सुंदर है देखने में. One day a lion passed from there. Now from there the lion passed from there that deer's house. Okay. उसी डियर का हाउस के सामने से एक लायन एक दिन पास कर रहे थे. He saw the deer alone in the house. और लायन ने देखा कि डियर अकेले है घर में. He entered his house and said, I will eat you for lunch and take away all your things. Now this lion, he is very, very rude. He is very, very always hungry. Now he said to the deer that he want to eat up that animal, that beautiful animal deer, and he will take his all the belongings. Okay. लायन ने बोला, डियर को बोला कि तुमको हम खा लेंगे और उसके बाद तुम्हारा पास जो चीज़ है सभी हम लेकर जाएंगे. The deer trembled with fear, but he was very clever. Now the deer, he was very, very trembled, he was very feared, he was very worried, but he was very clever too. The deer को तो बहुत बहुत डर लगा, लेकिन डियर को बहुत चालाक भी है. He smiled sweetly and said, please have a seat and have a nice bowl of soup first. Now see, the deer, here is deer, this is deer and this is the lion. So deer told to the lion that you please take your seat and let me have a nice bowl of soup to you first. पहले अब बैठिए. हम लोग आए हैं ना, अगर कोई गेस्ट आते हैं तो हम सब लोग क्या बोलते हैं कि आप बैठिए, पानी पी लीजिए, उसके बाद बात करना, ठीक ना. तो ऐसे डियर भी ऐसे ही किया है कि लायन को बोला है पहले आप बैठिए, उसके बाद हम लोग करेंगे. तो पहले बैठिए, उसके बाद एक नाइस सूप हम दे रहे हैं, उसको सूप को पी लीजिए उसके बाद. The lion denied, however the deer made agree him. And the lion, he don't want, he just eagerly waiting when he will eat up that beautiful deer. Now लायन को तो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, तो सोच रहा है कब वो डियर को खा लेगा. The deer put a pan of water on the fire. He added some spices and grains to the water. Now the deer, he just put a pan of water and on the fire, and he put some spices and grains into that water. डियर ने क्या किया, एक पैन पानी आग में रखे थे और उसके बाद चूल्हा में रखे थे और उसके बाद उसमें स्पाइस और ग्रेन्स मिक्स किए हैं. Then he asked the lion to fetch a few pebbles which would make the soup tasty. Now the deer, he is very clever. Some idea is going into his brain, and that is why he just wanted to send to the lion to repeatedly to go to the outside and bring this and that and those. Okay, so first time he asked the lion to bring the few pebbles and which would make the soup tasty. पहले तो डियर लायन को बोला है कि आप थोड़ा पेबल्स लेकर आइए, पेबल्स अगर हम इसमें मिक्स कर देंगे तो ये और भी इसका टेस्ट बढ़ जाएगा. The lion rushed out and looked around the place. He found some round stones and gave them to the deer. Now the lion, he was just eagerly waiting for that soup, and also moreover he was waiting when he will eat up that beautiful deer. So he rushed outside and he looked here and there and found some pebbles and bring it and gave it to deer. पहले ये लायन को तो बाहर निकला है और पहले बाहर इधर उधर घूम के देखा है, कुछ मिला, पेबल्स मिला है, और लेकर वो ये डियर को दे दिए हैं. The sun was too hot, he was tired and panting. Now what does the panting meaning? Breathing hardly. Okay, so it was too hot, the sun was shining brightly outside, and the lion, he was got tired and breathing hardly. तो लायन बाहर में सूरज बहुत तेज है, सूरज को बहुत तेज है और ये पेबल्स मिला है, लेकिन वो बहुत हार्डली ब्रीदिंग भी कर रहे थे. The deer said, Mr. Lion, if you don't mind, will you please get some green chilies from the garden? Now the deer, I told you earlier that again the deer wanted to make the lion to go outside and to bring some chilies from the garden. डियर चाहते हैं कि लायन फिर बाहर जाए और बाहर से गार्डन बगीचा से तो ग्रीन चिलीज लेकर आए. The lion said, sure, why not? And rushed out again. The lion, he was eagerly waiting for that soup, and so he just rushed out again to the outside and went to bring that green chilies. The deer sent him again and again to bring tomatoes, carrots, beans, cabbage, and so on. Now this deer is very, very clever. He repeatedly sending lion to bring cabbages, to bring tomatoes, to bring beans, and so on and so on. तो deer ने बार बार ये lion को बाहर भेज रहे थे कि कभी टमाटो लाने के लिए, कभी कैरेट्स लाने के लिए, कभी बीन्स, कभी कैबेज, ऐसे. ठीक है. The delicious soup was ready at last. The tired lion drank it all up and roared aloud. Now this delicious, so many things are added in that soup, isn't it? Naturally it will be delicious, and the delicious soup was ready then, and the lion was asked to take that soup, but the lion was too tired to bring repeatedly to bring this and that, and so he drank it up all and just roared loudly. वो डेलीशियस सूप ने दिया है, ग्लास बन चुका है, उसके बाद लायन को दे दिए है, लेकिन लायन इतना टायर्ड हो गया था तो वो सूप ने जल्दी से पी भी लिया और उसके बाद बहुत जोर से रोड किया है. The deer said, now Mr. Lion, you can eat me up. Now dear, he said to the lion, अभी तुम हमको खा सकते हो. The lion was not feeling hungry. He said, how I am too full now. Now that soup, it was so delicious, and it was made with so many things. And so when after taking that soup, the lion just forgot his hungriness. Because he was too full now, and so he said, maybe some other day. He walked out of the house, and the deer jumped with joy. Now, after saying this, that maybe some other day I will eat you up, but not today, because today I am full now. I am no hungry now, and so after any other day, some other day I will eat you up. So, and the deer, he was very happy. He jumped with joy. तो लायन को जब बोला है डियर ने कि अभी तुम हमको खा सकते हो, तो लायन ने बोला कि आज मेरा पेट भर गया है, आज नहीं, किसी और दिन हम तुमको खा लेंगे. और ये सुनने के बाद डियर को बहुत बहुत डियर खुश हो गया है और jumped भी किया है. So my dear children, from this story we can easily understand that if we have wheat, then we can overcome any type of problems. We should be wise, we should learn our lessons, then only we can be able to decide, we can able to think properly. Okay, so all these things will happen if we learn our lessons properly. So my dear children, please go through the chapter 10 times, learn the hard spellings, learn the word meanings. In the next class, I will discuss about the book work and the copy work. Okay, thank you.